Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Lucia at Lushspaces, and I was thinking about what kind of videos I could be also doing, and I came up with an idea of designers' favorite plants. So in today's video I want to talk about Verbena bonariensis, which is one of my all-time favorite perennials. And I love using it for any kind of planting because it's very easy to maintain and also very easy to grow and look after. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So Verbena bonariensis is a very tall plant. It's quite slanky. The stems are squarish, tall and very slender, and the whole form of the plant is very see-through, so you can plant it at the very front of the border if you want, and you still be able to see the plants behind. The roots don't mind being exposed a little. As you can see, I was experimenting here. As you can see, it still grows very well. The leaves are kind of slim, long and toothy, and there is not much of foliage on the whole plant, so if you are planning on planting it for the foliage interest, this is not the best plant. And as I said, you can use it in the foreground, but I mostly use it as a background plant, as it's very nice and tall and it provides this lovely colorful background to green shrubs, for example, because it grows, it flowers kind of above it. The plant origins are from South America, so it needs hot, sunny position, very well drained soil, and not too much of nutrients. They do need water, especially when you are trying to establish them first. So although they are from very hot climates, they need water, and if you do forget to water it for whatever reason, they will show you. The leaves will start to droop, and then it's very easy to save them and bring them back. Just water them quickly and they will perk up very quickly again. They're very easy to grow and also maintain, and also very easy to start from the seed if that's what you want to do, but they actually also self-seed very freely. They can also become quite invasive. Verbenas are very good for late color as well in your garden because it flowers for a very long time. It holds its flowers from about early summer up until late November, and if you don't cut it back, it provides this kind of nice architectural bone or structure in your winter garden. But most places it actually dies back over winter and it comes back again in early summer. And it's quite prone to die back as well, so it's always better to cut it back in spring. Just cut the old root down as soon as you see the new shoots. The family is also very good for wildlife. The bees, butterflies, bumblebees, they just love them. So it's very good also if you are concerned with the sustainability and with wildlife. Right, now let's talk about planting. So you can plant verbena on masses as well. They create this huge purplish cloud just above your plant, or if you use it as a hedge, some kind of a hedge, it looks amazing just along your pavements. And when it comes to planting styles, one of the most used and very good looking styles that Verbena is good for is the naturalistic style. So you plant them with ornamental grasses like Calamagrostis, Carl Foster or Miscanthus, for example, and it creates very airy space, it adds movement and a subtle color. Another good planting style is to plant it in sort of a tropical border. So you would use hot colors like purple, red, orange, yellow, and you can plant it with plants like dahlia, for example, and it looks amazing. But also cottage garden style or a gravel garden look amazing as well with verbena in. And a good companion plants for planting, for example, are plants like cosmos or salvia, choicea alternata, but also plants like fennel, for example, or achillea or sedum, when you're trying to kind of repeat the flat flower head form either at the same level of verbena's flowers or below it. And a very last thing I want to talk about is adding more variety or more of an interest with the same family of plants. So verbena comes in different forms, colors, different texture as well. So plants, for example, like the Verbena bonariensis, also Verbena lollipop, are very popular and they are slightly smaller. Also Verbena officinalis Bampton is very popular and very pretty. Also different kind of forms and colors, like more of a whitey or more of kind of rose color is Verbena hastata, the rosea or alba. And last but not least, also small potting verbenas that add a lot of color, because they do come in very, very hot colors like orange, red, purple, yellow. And they also are types that are trailing, like the Verbena tenera Sissinghurst, for example. So I hope you liked the video. I also do hope that if verbena wasn't one of your favorite plants, it now is. If you do have any ideas about any other plants that you want me to talk about and make a video about, let me know in the comments. And in the meantime, please don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!